Keeping our focus on Karnataka, let's tell you how Karnataka Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao has sounded the alarm over the alarming rise in cesarean section deliveries in the state. Now, the situation has reached a critical point with the overall C-section rate soaring from 35%, that is in 2021 to 2022, to a staggering 46% today. Private hospitals are the biggest contributors, performing a shocking 61% of these particular procedures. In fact, he went on to point out how it's become more profitable than natural births. Now, the health minister warned that this trend poses a serious risk to both the mothers as well as babies. A C-section comes with greater health complications compared to, of course, natural deliveries. In response, Dr. Shaibya Saldana, Bengaluru-based consultant gynecologist, explained that rising maternal age and common health issues like high blood pressure, diabetes are more, pushing women, that is, towards C-sections. These complications make C-sections seem like the safer option. Now, Dr. Saldana emphasized that while doctors must be highly trained to make the right decision regarding C-sections, they should also prioritize the health of both mother and the child. She cautioned that while a C-section might be necessary in certain cases, it's always better to have a safe, natural delivery whenever possible. The state government's new initiative, set to launch next month, aims to reverse this troubling trend.
ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚೆಚ್ಚು ಸಿಸೇರಿಯನ್ಗಳು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 2021-22ರಲ್ಲಿ 35% ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಿಸೇರಿಯನ್ ಹೆರಿಗೆಗಳಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಮನೆ ಸಭಾಪತಿಗಳೇ. 22-23ಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು 38%ಗೆ ಏರಿಕೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ 46%ಗೆ ಅದು ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಸಿಸೇರಿಯನ್ ಹೆರಿಗೆಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನೇಕ ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿವರಣೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕ್ರಮಗಳು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ.
I want to start by asking you, this is extremely concerning. A few gynecologists have echoed that, this is probably because private hospitals are deliberately pushing for C-section deliveries in order to make more money. Could that, be something that needs to be spoken about more?
Absolutely. Because we know that private hospitals very, very categorically suggest C-section. And they also play on the emotions of the family concerned, because we are a largely superstitious nation where they talk of a particular good auspicious time. So when you look at that, the burden is on the woman to accept whatever is being collectively, socially sanctioned by them. And the doctors do not hesitate to say, yes, we can go ahead and do it. Of course, we also know that most of them have health insurances. So somewhere the doctors also push the people to say, okay, you already have a health insurance of 3 lakhs. Now this is only going to cost you another lakh. And that's something that you would have anyway wanted to spend if it is your first child or your second child. And I think at the end of the day, that ethical suggestion or that ethical interaction between a doctor and a patient always is the woman, has lost its meaning, and it's lost down the discussions of insurances and these auspicious times and stuff like that.